All right, Weather Underground rolling on, and we are following Minneapolis because you got another round of storms coming through the city. Frustrating for those of you trying to go to the ballpark. The right side of the screen, the lights are on, but the players are not at home at this point.
No, they're hanging out in the locker room because we are on rain delay. It's Oakland in town to play the Twins, and they are playing a game of sit around and wait right now.
This is round two of big-time storms coming through the Minneapolis area. From Minneapolis and now points south, highly electrified severe thunderstorms coming on by. The storm east of Minneapolis is what came through the city center already. Now south and west, I should say, 2,500 strikes in the past 15 minutes from that Boeing segment of severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, a lot to be aware of in terms of severe threats. You know, there's the wind, there's been hail, but lightning. Deadly on its own. This is the newest warning for Dakota, Rice, and Scott counties. This includes Faribault and Lakeville and also Northfield. And this is going to be crossing right over 35. And as you pointed out, those winds going against the traffic. So if you're driving SUV, even worse, you know, a big rig, you're going to be having trouble.
And then because there's been 2 rounds of rain that's come through Minneapolis, now a flash flood warning is up, including the entire city of Minneapolis. Over towards St. Paul, it looks like 2. Look at the rain estimates here. In the past 3 hours, approaching 2 inches of rain. Now, some of that may be a little bit overdone because of some hail that came through, but most of it was rain, and most of it was in a very short period of time. So just on average, over an inch there, and another round of rain coming in means even more flood potential.
And you're talking about a city, there's a lot of pavement, you're not going to get a lot of ground absorption right away. And you know, when you live in cities, which intersections and which spots quickly fill up, but then eventually the water will go down. But be careful as the sun's going down, you know, it's going to be tougher to see at night. So watch for tree debris on the roadways and watch for some flooded spots.
All right, we're still following these storms for you, right? We've not only been following Minneapolis, but this entire broken line of storms across southern Minnesota, and then also into the southeast. We had some storms on Monday in Kentucky. Walmart there had massive damage to the building and the parking lot because of a tornado coming through.
Right, this was an EF2 tornado in Louisa, Kentucky. This is right along the Kentucky-West Virginia state line. Estimated maximum wind speed of 120 miles per hour. You can see some damage.